everyone, welcome back. I'm going to get started with a 3/4 flat brush, and I'm going to make two guides, one at the top corner of the forehead and one at the inner corner of the eye. And I'm going to create a rounded line connecting those two using the tip of my brush. And I'm going to come back on the tip of my brush, push down, and then lift up. Push down, and then lift up, pointing towards the inner corner of the eye. And then this last one is going to point towards the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm just going to use the edge of my brush and fill in that light pink section with some extra paint. And now for the bottom wing, I'm going to start with my brush straight up and down, create a guide for myself, and then I'm going to push and then come to a tip, push, come to the tip of my brush, and drag it up towards the inner corner of the eye. And I'm just going to do that a couple more times to finish out the bottom wing. And then in the center of that bottom wing, just create a one-stroke leaf. And next, this part's optional if you have time, but I'm just going to add another creative element to the inside of that butterfly wing, just for added interest. Again, only if you have time and if your paint is dry. And then I thought it was missing the second wing, so I'm just going to add that in right here, as well as the little extra swoop there for the inside of the wing. Next, I'm going to grab a round number 4 filled with white. And for the butterfly head, I'm just going to do a dot and a reverse teardrop, and then some swirls for his antennas. And then we're going to do a reverse teardrop at the bottom of the wing. And this next step is optional, but if you have time, I recommend doing it because I feel like it makes any design that you do it with pop. This next step is, I think, just optional. I wanted to do it just for the purposes of this tutorial to make her eye pop, but I'm going to outline her eye with that dark pink that's on the edge of the butterfly. I'm also going to use that on her lips along with glitter when I finish this off. And then here you can see me just coming in with some chunky glitter, trying my best to keep it not too close to the eye, so be careful of that when you're using chunky glitter. Guys, there you have it. That's how you do a super fast on the job one-stroke butterfly. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you want to see anything else, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.